another video. Today we're gonna be talking about the heavy shotgun and the heavy sniper beam back and the heavy metal mo. So if you like this video, like it, give it a thumbs up, so sub, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the game. Okay guys, we are back. So what I was saying is today's video is basically gonna be about the heavy shotgun being back and the heavy sniper. So the only way you can get these weapons, just don't think that I'm saying it right. So the only way you can get these weapons are if you let me try something real quick so then y'all can maybe hear it better. Should I mute the gameplay? Yeah, I'm gonna mute the gameplay. I wanna see how this does. I wanna turn it down a little bit. Oh well. All y'all wanna see is the gameplay. So yeah. What was I saying? So yeah, the only way you can get these weapons is in heavy metal. It won't be on her long, so if you want to play with them, you better get on it like that. Might be on her for like 2 more days. But yeah, well, I was thinking I make 2 videos each day. Like 2 videos each day. Like that one yesterday I made 2 videos, and then today I'm gonna be making 2 videos. So stay tuned for that. And then, like, I can take one day off if I want to, since I'm making 2 videos in a day. Which I usually have my videos pre-recorded, so then all I gotta do is upload them. So look, here's the heavy shotguns, dude. They're just OP. I love them. I guess it's only in this game mode. Huh? Y'all could probably hear me way better when I have the game thing turned off. But I'm gonna turn it back on. I kind of want to turn it down, but. And plus, I changed my button. I'm using that gaming controller that I said was broke, but I just had to change the keybinds. I mean, I'm kind of getting used. Someone try to shoot at me? Oh, man. Let's go get some kills. And what I was talking about, the LSPDFR isn't working right now. It's crashing. So you might not see any LSPDFR, and you might. What the fuck? Oh, my. You gotta be kidding me. Boy, where do you think you're going, buddy? Let's try to get this snipe, dude. There's so many people in this small circle. Oh, we gotta go to heavy? Yeah. Oh, there's one not. Dude, I miss doing this move, shooting through people's wall with this. You wanna see it? Let me snipe. No way. No way. Oh, shit. No! Dang it, dude. I forgot my fucking edit button because these keybinds. Well, I'll see you on the next game. Okay, guys, we are back. So we're gonna be dropping Mountain or Retail. I don't know. So if you're enjoying this video, like the vid. Well, yeah, I'm gonna make the thing pop up. So yeah, let's. Well, now I'm actually not, because then it's gonna mess up. Watch. I already had a video recorded, but then the sound didn't work. My freaking voice, I didn't check it. Hopefully it's working right now. We're gonna land on this sniper. Get some free snipes. Kinda wanna get a snipe out of the sky. Lynn, you wanna see this snipe, man? Sheesh. I need to snipe this kid easily. Damn. Wanna at least get some kills down here. Oh, sheesh. Yep. So I'm gonna die to fall damage. No, because we know how to freaking do it. Because we're just goated like that. Come on, let me get this snipe. Does this dude have a gun? Let me check. Go check out my recent videos. Getting a golded than the level 103. Those are some good videos. I need this. Oh my god. Seriously, man? Seriously? Well, guys, that is going to be the end of that video. Well, actually, not. We'll do one more game. So, yeah. I guess I will see y'all in the next game. Okay, guys, we are back. So yeah, I just looking at my YouTube channel on my phone. I don't know why I put it as kids. I saw that it won't let you subscribe if it says put it as kids. I don't know why, but I'm gonna put it on adult or whatever, 18 plus. So then you can actually subscribe. No wonder I haven't been getting any subscriptions because I've been doing that. I didn't know that because I just try to subscribe on my phone and it says whatever. Well, it doesn't matter. It just says this kid thing on because it let me. I don't know. I'll just turn it off, so then. Okay. So this is going to be the last video of the day. So like I said, I'm going to be posting 2 videos a day. So that means 2 videos tomorrow, 2 videos that next day. And then, and then if I want to take a break off one day, then I can, so. I'm gonna be consistent, at least right now. Unless I go on vacation, then I'll tell y'all. I just got back from Alabama. What is this? Huh. What is it called? Cuttlefish. I need to make a vid on that. Y'all think we can get this dub? Or close, at least? So yeah, make sure you... So yeah. Make sure you give this vid a thumbs up, dude. I mean, don't lie. I mean, yeah. Got him? Okay. I don't know what the cuttlefish do. No way. The frick happened? Did they blow up? Dude, I bet they do too. I bet you they do. Ah, frick, they blew up. Squid. Oh, sheesh. Dang it, dude. Freaking heavy shotgun takes too long. Doesn't have a good reaction time. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. And, of course, if you did, like it and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. And, y'all go check out my previous videos. And peace out.